QuickBooks Online allows you to combine class tracking with the projects feature for better automation and reporting on project profitability. Step-by-step setup. Enable features. Go to Settings, Account in Settings, Advanced. Turn on Track Classes and use Project Financial Tracking. Projects. Create classes for projects. Go to Settings, All Lists, Classes, New. Create classes named after your projects. For example, Project Alpha, Client A 2026. Set up projects. Go to Projects, left menu. New project. Link each project to a customer. Automate, class assignment, bank rules. Go to Banking, Rules. Create rules that automatically assign a specific class based on payee, description, or amount when transactions are imported. Recurring transactions. Set up recurring bills, invoices, or expenses and assign the correct class and project upfront. Default class per transaction. When creating templates or using products or services, assign default classes. Payroll. Assign classes and projects to employees for automatic allocation on paychecks.